today I'm actually going to be sharing my personal journey through the different stages of achieving financial freedom through passive investing. And in preparing for this presentation, I took the time to really chronicle what I've actually personally done, and I figured out a way to, uh, I kind of unpack the different strategies I did throughout the different stages into a blueprint or into a playbook that I think anyone can replicate. So it's my intention to share that playbook with you, and to have a discussion at the end. I'm happy to chat about passive investing anytime. This is actually my passion, and I just love chatting about it. I will also share a little bit about what we're up to at our firm as well. Okay, so let me introduce myself first. So, who am I? I am a Canadian lawyer by background. So, I practice mergers and acquisitions and securities offerings at a big Canadian law firm after law school. So, hard to believe, but that was 18 years ago that I did that. And I worked on deals like the Lululemon IPO. Securities offerings of forestry companies, mining companies, because I was based in Vancouver, BC. So after living 3 years like that junior lawyer portrayed in TV shows like Suits, I decided that practicing law isn't for me. All my clients were having so much more fun on the other side of the table, actually being the deals and doing deals, right? So I was just papering the deals. So I decided to take that leap of faith. I left the practice of law to start my first company. So at the time, I was very geeked out on wine, and in BC, we have a wine region called the Okanagan, so which is our Napa Valley. And so I got so geeked out on that, I created an export agency to export wine on behalf of Canadian producers to Asia. In that business, within 3 years, exported about 8% of the Canadian total exports. And that earned me a spot as a top 40 under 40 in 2013 by Business in Vancouver. So since then, I've been a serial founder. I've had three exits. My second business was a M&A boutique firm, M&A advisory firm, and that exited to PricewaterhouseCoopers in Vancouver. So I, was there as a deal counsel for a couple of years, and then from there got into multifamily office management. I co-founded, fund of funds in Canada. I have co-founded a fintech business, which was named by Forbes magazine last year as a top family office software. I have a tequila seltzer company as well that I co-founded during COVID. So I just love business. And what I love even more, in kind of reflecting on who I am and what I love to do and my soul's alignment, my soul purpose, I realized that what I actually love equally, maybe a little bit more, is actually investing, right? So in my 15-year of entrepreneurial journey, of course, in the beginning, I was very focused on just starting a business, scaling that. But about 10 years ago, I started to passively invest, right? So because I'm a person that doesn't like to deal with tenants, toilets, or hammers, so I found a way to get very good at investing through paperwork and checking out the deals, getting plugged into deal flow, selecting the opportunities, selecting operators, and also just understanding how to do due diligence and understanding how to pick the best strategy. So I love investing.